I'll be your recovery specialist.
Aren't you supposed to sit between my legs? Did anyone tell you that you're here to treat my ED?
What? I've never treated and I won't treat ED, so...
No. You cannot do this to me. You are fired.
Be professional.
Mr. Wright, stop it.
Oh, come on. I'm family.
I'm better, human man.
I'm leaving now.
Are you really not the least bit jealous?
I will only take what's in the contract.
I didn't do it.
That's how I know she loves me. It was never about the money.
Though I doubt you ever try to stand up straight.
Keep your hands to yourself. Get out and don't let me see you again.
I don't need your pity!
Are you afraid to a monster? Answer me.
Click to watch the full episode.